Hi, in this video you're going to learn how to upload files and test it to ensure that your sales funnel works. Now all of these concepts and all of these strategies that I'm teaching you are to ensure that you've done everything correctly on your computer as is. So when you upload everything using FTP or even using cPanel's file manager, whatever you do, it works when you upload it. So let's go ahead and upload those files. In the previous video I showed you how to set up everything so that it's ready to go and upload. Now when you're uploading your files, you can either upload them through FTP or you can use your web hosting panel. Some of those web hosting panels, such as cPanel for instance, allows you to use File Manager to upload your files. The first thing I want to show you is FTP. I use a program called FTP Surfer. It's free. If you do a search on Google, you'll find it. I've used this for many years and it's been great. So this is what FTP Surfer looks like. If you haven't created an account yet, what you can do is click on File, click on New, click on Site Profile. Then you can enter the information such as the name, the address, which is normally either the IP address of your server or ftp.yourdomain.com. Then enter your username and password. Now, right now I've already got that information, so all I have to do is click on that domain name, and what FTP Surfer is going to do is it's automatically going to connect to that server. Now the second thing you want to do is you want to create the folder to upload the files. Now if you notice previously I have my download link, and you have your download link stored so you know what it is. Mine is located at the instantprivatelabelvideos.com/sales funnel folder, which I can create. So if I click on public_HTML, which is where my files are going to be located, right click, new folder, and create that folder. Now with FTP Surfer, the only thing that I don't like is that you can only upload files one by one. Normally that's the case with most FTP programs, is it queues a bunch of files. Queuing means you can drop a bunch of files in there, but it'll upload one by one. Now for the sake of saving time, you can either highlight all of this and drag and drop it into here. You can do that, or you can do another thing. Here's what I like to use. I like to go to cPanel. This is cPanel X. If you're using a web hosting account, and most servers out there will use cPanel. This is one of the most famous web hosting panels out there. Click on File Manager. I like to use this mainly because I can upload several files at the same time and just simply walk away. Now, right now I have located the folder called public_HTML/sales funnel. So right now it's empty, as you can see, right? Now what you want to do is you want to upload files to that folder. And if you're wondering how to do that, you'll notice that there is an upload link, as you can see here. I'll click on upload. And as you can see here, there are 3 boxes, but you can add other upload boxes as well. Now this technique, you can use it to upload several at the same time. I like to use this tool because not only does it allow you to upload many files at the same time, but I use the cPanel often. So if you're not very familiar with FTP and you don't want to download a program, you can always access this site without having to access an FTP client anywhere in the world. So if you're in the library, for example, and you have access to your files and you want to use a library and they don't allow you to download files and install it on that computer, you can pretty much use this method here to upload those files. So I'm going to click on Browse and click on the files to upload them. So I can click on this link, and as you can see, it'll start uploading files. I'll just click all these links. Now, here's the thing. When I get to the images folder, I might actually need to create an images folder and upload these two here. So I'm going to fast forward a bit and upload all of the files, and we'll actually test it when we're done. So there we go. We've uploaded all the files to the file manager, and now we can actually test whether this works or not. The first thing we want to do is go to the download page that we entered into PayPal. So this is the download page, as we can see here. I'm going to go straight to it, and assuming that we set it up correctly, we should actually go to the download page. And it successfully works, so great. Now we want to test the links. To test the links, you want to click here, left click, and if it works, this will pop up and ask you to save it. And we'll do the same to all of these down here. Clicked on that, and we were forwarded to the PDF file, which we can right click and save link as or save target as if you're using Internet Explorer. Great, so we know that it works, and what we can do is go to the sales page and make sure that the PayPal button works. And we can check, okay, we got that. Scroll down, we have the PayPal button, we have our name, click on the Buy Now button, make sure that it forwards to PayPal. And it does, so we know that it works. So that concludes the end of this video series on creating a successful sales funnel. So now you know how to do it. You can pretty much take any resale rights product, or affiliate site product, or anything that gives you a sales page, the actual products, and you can create your own download page. If they do provide you with a download page, great. It does save you time. But now you know how to do all of that. You can pretty much do it over and over.